Hey guys, welcome to Stacking Stocks once again. Many thanks for taking your precious time to view our content today. Today we've got some big news for you. We've established that theater chain AMC will start accepting other cryptocurrencies alongside Bitcoin. This information is massive. Sit back and enjoy the session. But before we begin on the amazing news we have for you today, it's essential that we discuss the chart action, fundamentals, and fund ownership metrics of AMC stock. How is AMC performing in the stock market? Do investors consider it a buy now stock? And how will the involvement of cryptocurrencies affect AMC stock? We're about to get some answers. Most people love going to the movies, but the question is, can it match the action by AMC Entertainment? At the beginning of the year, AMC stock was going for $2 a share. By June 2nd, we had witnessed a 36-fold skyrocketing to an all-time high of $72.62. Even though an epic short squeeze rally hit overdrive in January this year, AMC stock still attracts short sellers. For the week ended July 23rd, we observed that AMC Entertainment was ranked third among stocks trading at least $10 a share and getting sold short the most. A total of 14,666 short sale trades were made on the TradeZero platform at an average price of $38.18 per share. For the weeks ended August 27th and September 3rd, AMC ranked second. In the latter week, the broker executed 8,421 trades at an average price of $45.96 per share. Furthermore, AMC had an additional 10,803 short sale trades made at an average price of $47.99. Look at these statistics. We can see that AMC ranks among the top in terms of short sales. It doesn't matter which metric is involved, AMC strives to be on top of the game. Now let's talk about the share price. AMC had faced stubborn upside resistance at the 21-day exponential moving average, but that no longer is happening. In the week ended August 27th, the shares surged as much as 40% higher for the week before settling for an 18% gain. Since June 18th, more than 695 million AMC shares have exchanged hands. If you don't think that this is beyond admiration, then we don't know what to tell you. AMC Entertainment stock shows a float of 508 million. Now, what's a float? A float is a number of shares freely traded in the New York Stock Exchange. On August 31st, AMC also showed grand action. We're talking about the 8.8% rise in accelerating volume, which marked AMC's highest close since July the 8th. Furthermore, from the August 9th news release, we established that the company raised another $1.25 billion in new equity capital during the second quarter. They also welcomed more than 22 million guests back into their theaters across the globe, and they saw successive new pandemic-era box office records on the back of new blockbuster films released over the three-month period. From the second quarter results, it looks like AMC is progressing quite well in the stock market. High revenue means that investors will fatten their investment portfolios. However, AMC plummeted as much as 60% below the all-time high of $72.62. If you want to go long-term, you have to analyze the stock's bullish pattern. So given extraordinary gains through late May, is it time to take profits off the table? After all, the May rally exhibited elements of a climax run. Gains from a recent buy point at $14.64 had shrunk dramatically. After Memorial Day, AMC climbed 23% on an agreement to sell 8.5 million shares at $27.15 per share to Mudrick Capital. Proceeds would go towards strategic acquisitions of additional theater leases, as well as investments to enhance the consumer appeal of AMC's existing theaters. And we expect some of the money to be used to pay down debts. For a company to succeed, its products must appeal to consumers. More theater leases mean that AMC is expanding operations. Since late January, AMC stock has followed an extreme zigzag pattern. Just 2 weeks after that $20.36 peak, AMC crashed. Shares fell to as low as $5.26. Then the company had a huge second wave of buying, sending shares back into the low teens. Week to week, the stock, pumping its market value this year to as high as $36 billion on 513 million shares outstanding and a float of 508 million, has lately seen its overall price range narrow. That's good as the new base continues to form. Whether or not AMC will match its $72.62 all-time peak remains to be seen. In 2020, AMC lost $16.15 a share. Over the past 5 quarters, the company's sales have shrunk 22% to as much as 99% versus year-ago levels. Such results would usually shatter most companies. However, the company expects some big sales. But we've observed that AMC still has a negative cash flow. Some investors fear that high debt will continue to overwhelm the company's revenue. Is AMC a buy now stock? If you're a courageous trader, then you can go for it. AMC is not a stock for faint-hearted investors. As much as AMC is displaying great potential, it's still 30% below the all-time peak of $72.62. The stock is currently trading at $51 a share. Now, as an investor, you need to analyze the stock's trend. The prices over the last couple of months are good enough for you to establish a trend. Do you think it's worth a try? All we can say is buy a stock with solid prospects. If you see that kind of prospect in AMC, then you should go for it. At the end of the day, keep your losses small, and you'll stay in the investing game for the long haul. It doesn't matter how much you gain in the short term if you can't stay in the game long enough. AMC Entertainment treated the world to a big surprise. The company's boss announced that the theater chain would accept Ether, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin alongside Bitcoin for ticket purchases as cryptocurrencies gain acceptance among mainstream investors and companies. Well, it seems like AMC is making great efforts to improve sales and increase revenue. It's not every day that you'll find an organization accepting payment by cryptocurrency. Tesla recently reallowed payments by cryptocurrency, and this could turn out to be a smart and effective move for AMC. According to some investors, the numbers in terms of debt versus returns are a bit off the healthy zone, and any organization would know better not to scare off investors. But it seems like AMC might just be on track to salvage the situation. AMC's boss informed cryptocurrency enthusiasts that they'll now be able to pay for their online ticket and concessions with Bitcoin by year-end 2021. And the boss further stated that Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash would similarly be accepted. Cryptocurrency is currently taking over the world. Right now, everyone wants to be a part of the action. In the near future, we'll be talking about cryptocurrency payments for every product bought or service hired. You might just want to keep your holdings in the long run, not to make profits in anticipation of the future. Prices of Bitcoin and Ether were marginally down, while Litecoin was up 1.7%. AMC's shares, one of the so-called meme stocks, were down about 1% in pre-market trading. We don't think that this will make any of these coins do any parabolic movements as a result. We believe that this is just another awesome step in the global adoption of crypto as a whole. Cryptocurrency is getting into a lot of industries. Watch that crypto space. Despite the growing environmental concerns, many behemoth corporations are jumping on the cryptocurrency bandwagon. We've also seen some nations considering adopting cryptocurrency as legal tender. El Salvador already adopted Bitcoin. Maybe with this move, AMC has a chance to regain its footing in terms of debt versus returns cash flow. We've transitioned from people buying Bitcoin to spend them to perceiving it as an investment for the future, an established currency for the future. Considering the hype around cryptocurrency, AMC's stock price will definitely be boosted. As much as this is a great move for the company, it's also progress for the crypto space. There was a time when people had trouble adopting Bitcoin. Then followed the environmental concerns due to cryptocurrency mining. But where are we now? Look out for the AMC stock and expect a price surge soon. We'll keep you posted. Thanks for joining us today here on Stacking Stocks. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.